What's up, guys? In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to train Tesseract 5 OCR with custom fonts. All right, so first we're going to download IronOCR for Windows, which uses Tesseract 5 as an OCR engine, so that later we can use it for a custom trained Tesseract. You can use any method to download IronOCR from here. So for now, Tesseract training is only available on Linux. So first we will install WSL and Ubuntu on our Windows platform. So open Windows PowerShell as an administrator and type WSL --install -d Ubuntu to install both at once. After the installation is complete, you're going to restart your computer to make changes. In Ubuntu, set up a username and password. Then open Windows Subsystem for Linux as an administrator and use this command to update Ubuntu packages and wait for the packages list to upgrade. Now use this command to upgrade to the latest version and wait for the upgrade to complete. Now we'll download Tesseract OCR using this command and wait for it to install. Once it's installed, we'll use this command to upgrade its dependent libraries. Let's wait for it to upgrade. Next, we'll download the font you want to train. So I've downloaded the AMGDT regular fonts. You can use any font you'd like. So first move to the location where the font is downloaded. Choose the correct path where you downloaded the fonts. Next, copy the file in the user local share fonts and user share fonts folders using these commands. It will copy the fonts to the specific folders. Now let's clone the Tesseract tutorial from GitHub using this command. And this will download Tesseract tutorial from the Git repository. We'll move Tesseract tutorial folder and update submodules using this command. It will download and update the Tesseract and test train folders. Wait for the update to complete. In the Tesseract tutorial folder, open the fonts.conf file and add the following font directories. Save it and close the file. Make a copy of the fonts.conf file and save as my Tesseract fonts.conf file name. First, copy this file, etc. fontsconf.avail folder.move to etc. fontsconf.d folder and execute this command. Finally, renew the cache in the conf.d folder using this command. If the file is not generated, as you can see here, you can copy it and again, renew the cache and the fonts cache will be updated. All right, so let's first clear the screen and move back to the home directory. Then move to the Tesseract tutorial test train folder using the change directory command. To store output results using make directory, create a data folder. Then we'll move back to the Tesseract tutorial. In Tesseract tutorial folder, open split training text.py file and make the following changes. First, set the path to fonts conf directory, which is etc. fonts. Then change the first name of the ground truth folder to your font's name. Then set the font config temporary directory path to the above font config path. Finally, change the name of the fonts. Save it and run this file using Python 3 split training text.py and wait for it to complete. And this will generate the .box and .tiff image files in the data folder of the fonts. All right, so then we'll move to the test train folder and make the following changes. First, set the correct path. Look for it in the user folder. Then make these following file name extension changes. Save the file and close it. Now let's move to the Tesseract OCR test data folder. So here you can see the train data file. So we will replace it with a better train data file. Download it from the test data best folder from its GitHub repository. Finally, we create our custom font.train data file by executing this command. First, make the training with the model name equal font name. start model equals train data file name, path to train data file, and maximum iterations. The maximum iterations are set to 100 as we have 100.box and TIFF files. It's going to take a little time to train the data, so let's patiently wait for it to complete. So you can see here that the error rate is very high, and that's mainly because of fewer files and only 100 iterations. To get better results, we use 1,000 or more iterations and also increase the training set. And that's it. That's how we can train Tesseract OCR with custom fonts. And now your trained data file can be used with a much more powerful OCR library. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Again, please like and subscribe if you do. And if you'd like to check out our trial subscription on our website, please go check it out, download, install, and experience the power firsthand.